Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make burger tikki at home without corn flour. First, gather your ingredients, including ground meat, finely chopped onions, ginger garlic paste, and a mix of aromatic spices. Ensure your meat is well chilled for easier handling. We'll focus on achieving a firm, flavorful patty using natural binders. This method ensures a juicy interior and a beautifully browned exterior, perfect for any burger. Get ready to elevate your homemade burger game. Now let's get our hands dirty. In a large bowl, combine your ground meat with all the prepared spices, herbs, and finely chopped vegetables. For binding without corn flour, add about 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs or 1/4 cup of mashed potatoes per pound of meat. Mix everything together really well, ensuring the binders are fully incorporated. The mixture should be cohesive and slightly sticky, ready for shaping. Once your mixture is ready, it's time to shape those perfect burger tikkis. Take a portion of the mixture and form it into a patty, aiming for about 3.5 inches in diameter and about 3/4 of an inch thick. Make a small indentation in the center to prevent bulging during cooking. Chill these patties for at least 30 minutes. Then, cook them on a lightly oiled pan over medium heat until they are beautifully golden brown on both sides and cooked through. Your homemade burger tikkis are now ready to be enjoyed. Serve them hot on toasted buns with your favorite toppings like lettuce, tomatoes, onions, and a dollop of your special sauce. They also pair wonderfully with a side of crispy sweet potato fries or a refreshing green salad. These flavorful patties are a fantastic alternative to traditional burgers. And hey, while you're enjoying your delicious meal, remember that life's too short for a stinky car. Check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.